Okay, get in a game like Krull. If you just want to use the keyboard, hit the tab button and your config menu pops up. You want to input this game, so hit enter. And then you go down using the keyboard, would probably be the best idea, to whatever value you want to change. You hit enter, it erases it, and then you press the button or joystick that you want to change. So for instance, here's left up. So if I hit enter, that value goes away. But then if I go up on the keyboard or on the joystick, you can see now that says up. So now my player 1 left joystick will go up when I push the joystick up. If I go back down and I hit enter, now my left joystick I go down, and you'll see the word down will pop up. Go down again, hit enter. Now this is left, left, so I have to do with the joystick, go left. You'll see the word left pop up. Go down again, hit enter to erase it. Make the joystick go right, and you'll see the word right go up. Now let's configure the right joystick. So it says right up, we hit enter, and it makes that go away. And then we have to push the joystick up, and you'll see an R. And then you go down, right down, hit enter, makes it go away. Left joystick, or the right joystick, sorry, go down, and you'll see an F. Scroll down to right, left, hit enter. And now I'm on my right joystick, I have to push it left. And there's a D. Go down one more, hit enter. And now I do right, right. And there's a G. So as far as I know, that's all I need to change. So I'm just going to scroll down to return to main menu, hit enter, and then return to game, and hit enter. Now I can put my keyboard away for now. Put that down there. Get rid of the light. Let's see, got some credits on there. And then if I play one, should start the game. And we've got the joystick down here. Player 1. The first part just does movement only. There's no fighting. So your right joystick basically doesn't do anything until you get to the second stage. I actually did that wrong. I think to win in this stage, you have to get that first part, that first piece first, because otherwise it's really hard to get, if I'm not mistaken. Wait a minute, might let me get it. Come on, get out of the way, boulders. Come on, come on. See if I can sneak in and grab it. Yay, okay. On the second phase, now I should be able to move and shoot. So there's me. I got my power. I'm moving, and I should be able to shoot. Yep, shoot all over the place. Okay, my Krull things are coming back. So anyway, that's how you do it.